Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to disassemble and replace the battery on this model of Volvo key fob. This particular key fob is from a 2007 Volvo C30 and is found on other Volvo models around the same generation. Reprogramming the key fob is not required after the battery replacement. However, this may vary if the key fob was later added to the vehicle, so it's not an original factory one. Start by removing the key blade, which is held in with a small spring clip. Push this and then the blade will pull straight out. Typically with a low battery, the keyless entry will not work from a far distance, and you will also have a warning message on the gauge cluster stating that the remote battery is low. If the battery is completely dead, the key fob may not work at all. Next, there is a small screw which holds the case together that is accessed by the small hole on the back of the case where the key blade was. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw and place it somewhere safe so it doesn't get lost. Now to pop open the case, this can be a little tricky as it's still snapped together and does require some force. Pull the remote apart from the screw side and then unclip it on the opposite side. Once open, the battery is on the back side of the case, and I'll show you the replacement in a moment. Continuing with disassembly, the circuit board simply sits in place. Then there is a plastic frame, the rubber push pad and seal. This is removed by pushing the buttons on the opposite side. Slowly work it out carefully not to break anything. Once it's removed, we have access to the buttons now. They do sit in a specific orientation, and some have alignment tabs to ensure everything is installed correctly. This is also a good time to clean the case if needed. A toothbrush or another type of soft brush works great for cleaning the case. Now for assembly, reinstall the buttons. Push the rubber pad back into place. Next is the plastic frame, and then the circuit board. Now for the battery replacement, the positive side of the battery does face the back of the case. Sometimes you can use your fingers to pop the battery out, other times you may need the assistance of a screwdriver. One CR2032 battery is required. Make sure you purchase one from a place where batteries are sold quicker, as some may be discharged if they have been sitting on the shelf for a longer period of time. Push the battery back into place. Make sure you don't lose a spring for the key blade either. Clip the case back together. Install the side without the screw first to snap the clips in, and then finish up on the screw side. Install the screw, and then clip the blade back into place. New videos are uploaded every week to my channel, so show your support by hitting that subscribe button below the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, please feel free to post them. Thank you for watching.